Hi dear students, welcome to Ardent Flash series. So today we are going to see about basics of biomechanics. So for any application of force, the force has following properties. So it has a point of application of force, it has a line of action, it has a sense, and it also has a magnitude. So when we are applying force, we should get to know how much amount of force we should apply. So the answer is 20 to 26 grams per square centimeter of root surface, which is given by Dr. Oppenheim and Schwartz. And such amount of force is equal to capillary blood pressure. So then we move on to center of resistance. So center of resistance is different for different types of tooth. For example, in case of single rooted tooth, it is 1/3 to 1/2 of a root surface from apex to alveolar crest. In case of multi-rooted tooth, it is very closer to furcation area, and in case of maxillary dentition, it is somewhere located between the roots of premolar tooth, and for entire maxilla, it is located at posterior superior aspect of zygomatic-maxillary suture. And the center of resistance can be affected by following factors. So it can be affected by amount of alveolar bone support and status of root. So if the alveolar bone support is reduced, the center of resistance moves apically, whereas in case of root resorption, the center of resistance moves towards the crown or coronally, right. Then the center of resistance should be seen three-dimensionally. So the different perspectives can be put forth like, when we view a tooth from facial or lingual aspect, it is close to furcation area, and when we view from occlusal aspect, it is along the axis of the tooth, and when we view from proximal aspect, it is between the alveolar crest and the apex. And for unconnected molar, the center of resistance will be at the furcation area, as just like the multi-rooted tooth. And in case where the molar is connected to incisor, it is between the root of second premolar and molar. And for entire arch, we know that the center of resistance is located between the roots of two premolar tooth. So this is all about basics of biomechanics, which is given in a single flash. Thank you.